Welcome YouTube. So I want to show you the progress on our little first-person shooter game. So this part of intro you have already seen if you've watched the previous devlogs. If not, then you didn't. So the main things that were added, we have health bar and we have our weapon view models. So now when we shoot, we can shoot so hard. When we shoot, we see animation on our model, and when we switch weapon, the model also changes. And you can see that if I shoot myself, then my health goes down. So another thing is that this level, as we see, is different than what was in previous devlogs. We have portals, so we can teleport to different world, and this world also is a new one. So we will have those challenge worlds, and we will teleport from the hub to the challenge worlds. I don't have a key. And when we teleport from the hub to the challenge worlds, then we will have a challenge to go to beat, and we will receive keys, and we need to get 3 keys, and when we will have 3 keys, then we will win the hub world. At least this is the plan for the demo, for the demonstration. So yeah, I have a key. So that's basically it. There are a couple of technical things, like added a couple more tools for validation and for easier development. Also the skylines can look a little bit different because I've changed the rendering pipeline from the built-in legacy pipeline to the new and sexy universal render pipeline, which is also why we have those awful magenta materials, because not all materials are converted to the new pipeline, which means some stuff basically does not compile on the GPU. You have magenta as a material color, as a fragment color, mostly when your GPU isn't able to execute the commands for particular fragment. It's a bit different when you have the cyan color. If you have a cyan color, that means that the shader for a particular fragment is not yet compiled. You have to wait until it will be compiled. At least this is how Unity handles that. I'm not sure if the cyan is standard for the drivers for the GPUs, but magenta is kind of standard as far as I know. If there will be error within the compilation, you will end up with magenta color. And yeah, we also have our old level here in our preview. It's simply accessed through different portal and then hub world. And yeah, now that's really it for today's devlog. If you did like it or did not like it, maybe you don't care, but if you can click the like or dislike button, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff, you know, the algorithm, blah blah blah. Thank you very much for watching, and see you around.